Being overqualified. What does he say? He said that for one, you're overqualified to the job that you are offered. You not being dismissed because you're not good. You're being dismissed because you're overqualified to the job that you're doing. And maybe you need to rethink what is the thing that you need to do. Sorry. Um, you need to rethink your life option. You need to rethink. Maybe I should go and be independent. Maybe I shall learn more and be not being overqualified, being in the basic demand of a bigger job. Um, there is a lot of things that you can do when you are overqualified. I know that I am overqualified for a lot of jobs that I was doing. Okay, and I enjoy them. That for being overqualified doesn't exclude me for loving my job. I love my old job, and it became too much for me. Um, and now I'm starting a new journey. So if you're in your 40, if you're being told that you're overqualified, maybe you should start your own thing. And maybe you should try and niche down or try to, if you're now just want to be in SOC and you said you're being overqualified, maybe try to run your own SOC, maybe try to manage a SOC, maybe try to learn SIM and try to make rules and try to be a SIM integrator. And if you are in security and you're being told that you're overqualified, maybe try to be a CISO. And there is a lot of stuff that you can do to mean you are overqualified. Being overqualified is not it's not a curse.